Listing your home is just the beginning of your selling journey. To ensure a smooth and successful sale, there are crucial steps every homeowner should follow post-listing. Here are 5 essential actions to take that can make your property stand out and attract the right buyers. Deep clean and declutter. First impressions matter. Ensure your home is spotless and free from clutter. Consider hiring professional cleaners and stagers to make your home look its best. Take high-quality photos. Photos are the first thing potential buyers see online. Invest in a professional photographer who can capture the best features of your home. Market your listing. Share your listing on social media, real estate websites, and local community boards. Consider hosting a virtual tour or live walkthrough for interested buyers. Prepare for showings. Make your home available for showings. Keep it tidy at all times and consider small touches like fresh flowers or baked cookies to make the home feel welcoming. Stay informed and responsive. Be ready to answer questions from potential buyers or real estate agents. Stay updated on local market trends and be open to feedback after showings. Remember, selling a home is a significant decision. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to attracting the right buyer and securing the best deal.